This boat's equipped with an isotherm DR60 refrigerator freezer. It's a great system. It has two drawers. The top drawer is the refrigerator, the bottom drawer is the freezer. It's dual voltage, so you can turn it on either using shore power or battery power. If it doesn't come on, I would certainly recommend checking your breakers. Your first one to check would be the refrigeration breaker on the AC side if you're on shore power or generator power. If it's not working on that voltage, you'll try your 12-volt system. You'll be able to switch on the galley refrigerator on your DC side. That'll allow you to run the refrigerator on 12 volts rather than generator or shore power. Your cockpit refrigerator also works on dual voltage. In order to work the cockpit refrigerator on AC power, shore power, or generator, you'll energize the refrigeration breaker. The refrigeration breaker on the AC side includes the galley refrigerator and the cockpit refrigerator. When you go to your DC side and you want to use your refrigerator on battery power, you have two breakers, one for the galley refrigerator freezer and another for the cockpit refrigerator. Those are here, galley refrigerator and cockpit refrigerator. You'll energize those to get them to work on 12 volts.